welcome back to another video by Artsy Ashley. So today I'm working on a character profile for a one-shot BL comic that I'm making. It's actually for a contest, so you'll probably see a lot of videos of me working on this series. So just look out for that in the future. But today I wanted to talk about I guess something that I'm doing right now, which is also trying to get into artist alleys and craft fairs and things like that. So I wanted to talk about the difference between applying to craft fairs versus applying to artist alleys, specifically for anime related, like Japanese events. So yeah, let's just get started. So lately I've been submitting a lot of applications to more East Coast conventions like NecoCon, which is closer to me in Hampton, as well as a couple of other ones, I think a few in Georgia and Florida and stuff. And I haven't heard back from them yet. It's kind of early, but it's just, to my experience, been a lot harder to get into anime related conventions because it's so competitive and oversaturated with a lot of similar work, so it can be hard to get like your foot in the door. But I've had an easier, like way easier time getting into more smaller local events like craft fairs, and really it's almost like as long as you can pay for the table and the space, then you're pretty much guaranteed a spot there. You do have to, depending on what craft fair you apply to anyway, you do have to at least show like pictures of your work and what you intend to sell and a demo like display setup. So that's pretty similar to doing an artist alley application too, but as far as I can see, it's a lot easier to get into craft fairs in general. So yeah, that's just been my take on it. I'm actually going to be attending a craft fair that's going to be in Williamsburg, Virginia. Second Sundays, I believe is what it's called, because it's on the second Sunday of every month. So if you're going to be in Williamsburg, near that area, on the second Sunday, I believe, of September, I should be there tabling. So I'll post the info below and more info about that in the future too. But yeah, honestly, this is like gonna be a super short video because I don't really know what to talk about. Like, if you guys have any questions or suggestions of what I should talk about, like, definitely leave them below so I can have something to do. Like, seriously, it's so hard to think of stuff to talk about when you literally have no idea what you're doing. But yeah, if you want to know maybe more about this series that I'm doing, I'd be happy to talk about that. It's pretty exciting working on a webcomic. It has to be in full color too, so this contest, I believe, I have to turn in 100 well, it has to be a one-shot, so it has to be at least 100 panels. They all have to be full color, and yeah, 2 episodes, I believe. So yeah, that'll be fun. I have a lot of work to do, especially that, and I'm preparing for, you know, upcoming craft fairs and everything. So yeah, I've got a lot ahead of me, but yeah, I hope you stick along and look forward to my next video, and I will talk to you guys then. Okay, bye.